A thorough and detailed analysis of the PYQs can make the UPSC exam more predictable and easier. By carefully analyzing the PYQs, you'll get to know the relative weightage of the important subjects, and second, the relative weightage of the important themes in each of the subjects. For example, within economy, you'll understand that the nature of questions has got shifted from monetary policy to the financial market. And within financial market, repeatedly questions are asked with respect to the important financial instruments. So in these PYQ classes will not only help you to decode the trend and pattern of the UPSC exam, will also help you to identify the important topics for the upcoming prelims examination based upon the analysis of the PYQs.
Everyone says that we must analyze PYQs, but what exactly are we supposed to do? There are two aspects. Number one, what to expect from the UPSC. What sort of questions are they going to ask based on what they've already asked? And the second thing to do with PYQs is how to handle the paper, meaning what to actually do in the paper. No matter what UPSC asks, how can we think on our feet?
There is a saying that you can't conquer your adversary which you can't see. And the same principle goes with UPSC as well. Basically, the PYQs enable us to understand the mindset of the examiner. It helps us in looking into the mind of the examiner. And that's why we have designed this course that if you are scoring somewhere around 65 to 70 marks, then this course will definitely help you in going beyond 100 and secure your seat for Mains 2026.
UPSC Prelims is not about knowing everything. It is about using what we know smartly and under the pressure of the exam. Through this program, let us try to decode UPSC's previous questions, identify patterns, eliminating options smartly, and identifying the traps that have been set up for us by UPSC. Focus on the language of UPSC, not just what we have studied. So, if your goal is to clear prelims smartly and with confidence, with an exam-ready temperament, this is your edge.
Every year, what students misses is the foundation, the keystone, or I can say the root, which is the PYQ. You see, why? Because UPSC doesn't set questions randomly. There is a mindset and a proper design. So here at the PYQ Accelerator, we will try to decode the examiner's mindset and the evolving nature of the questions. So always remember, PYQs are not about the past. It's the closest clue to the future. So crack the pattern and the question stops being unpredictable.